At the bottom of the world lies a continent we barely know, Antarctica. Officially, just ice and snow. But then, why is there a treaty that strictly protects it? Why have more than 50 nations agreed to keep this land hidden from the eyes of ordinary people? What lies there, so valuable that millions are forbidden to approach? Is it only ice? Or something that changes everything we know about human history? Travelers who dared speak tell of something called the ice wall, a colossal barrier of pure ice, taller than cathedrals, stretching longer than continents. But when you get close, the ice begins to live. Some say it breathes, some say it pulses. A few claim that when they touched it, the ice shifted beneath their fingers, as if it was reacting to their fear. Who guards this wall? Witnesses describe colossal beings, over 10 meters tall, snow giants. Their skin is pale as stone, their eyes glow red and blue, and every step leaves not just a footprint, but cracks that release steam into the freezing air. When someone approaches the wall, the giants don't always move. They just stand, watching, measuring. And no one knows. Are they judging your courage, or waiting for the signal to destroy you? But the giants aren't the only ones. Another kind exists. Beings without a clear form, partly humanoid, partly energy. They float above the ground, shifting shape, appearing and disappearing. Some believe they aren't creatures of flesh and blood at all, but projections. Technology so advanced, to us it looks like magic. Leaked documents speak of underground complexes hidden miles beneath the ice. Laboratories where experiments are carried out that ordinary people cannot even imagine. Picture this: hybrids of human and alien DNA, technology that bends space and time. Projects so secret, even world leaders are denied access. If this is true, then Antarctica is not just a continent, it is a prison for knowledge that could change everything. But laboratories weren't the first structures here. Satellite photos have revealed shapes of pyramids, massive ruins, and lines too precise to be natural. Could there be a buried city under the ice? A city older than history itself? Some researchers believe a civilization thrived here long before the ice came. A civilization that left behind technologies our modern scientists are now desperately trying to awaken. Or even more terrifying, a city that was never abandoned. Many witnesses say the skies above Antarctica behave strangely. Lights move faster than any aircraft. Objects vanish in a blink. Is Antarctica base for alien overseers? Are they monitoring every expedition, erasing every trace of those who saw too much? If cities and labs exist beneath the ice, then perhaps this is not human territory at all. Perhaps this is a colony, a control center, maybe even the very heart of the planet's hidden rulers. And what of those who dared to go too far? There are stories of expeditions that vanished, teams who sent their last signal, and then silence. No bodies, no equipment, no trace. Some say the giants took them. Others whisper they became test subjects in hidden labs. A few claim the explorers never left at all, but were transformed into guardians themselves. Imagine standing on the edge of that continent, knowing no one is coming for you. Why is all this hidden? If civilizations existed before us, why are we forbidden from knowing? If beings are there, why can't we see them? Perhaps because the truth would change everything. Our religion, our science, our politics. Perhaps because humanity would realize we are not the masters of this world, or perhaps because they are still here and they do not want to be found. What lies beyond the ice wall? Guardians that are not human? Cities older than history? Secret labs where life itself is rewritten? One thing is certain. Those who tried to cross the boundary were never seen again. So the real question remains, is the wall there to protect us from them, or to protect them?